Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. In this episode, we're going to be doing an update on the 32 Ford Street Rod, and I'm going to turn it into an EV rod. Here I'm looking at all the parts of the kit as I have them laid out, and I'm trying to make a plan for what I want to do with this build. Usually all my builds are, for the most part, box stock. So this time, I'm going to go outside of the box and I'm going to change it up and say, what would happen if somebody built a EV vehicle and made it look like a hot rod? Or a street rod. So this is where I'm going to go with it. Yeah, I figured it'd be fun to kind of change it up. It might make some people upset that you shouldn't be messing with hot rods and making them EVs, but hey, it's kind of like a souped up golf cart, so to speak. So here I'm putting everything on the chassis, just trying to get a feel for what I want to do and how I want to go about building everything. I saw some inspirational photos that I want to use as a guide for this build, color, stance. So now I just need to put all that together and make it take place. Here's a good look at the side of the vehicle and how it stands, or what its stance is without any tires and steering sub-assemblies and the rear end up underneath it. So here's a little bit of my inspiration. I just think the stance of this 32 Ford looks awesome. I also like the color choice that they went with. So I'm going to try to mimic that. So seeing that it's a dark gray, I went ahead and I don't want any chrome on the vehicle. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go with that dark gray and try to get the stance as close to the pictures as I can, and we'll just see how everything turns out. I think it'll be a fun build, doing something different. To give me some parts left over for another kit. So if you look, I've trimmed off the bumper brackets and supports. And here's a quick peek on the stance. So thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the next update. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Thanks for watching.